Hey all, I desperately needed an outdoor kitchen for all the autumn produce goodness outside preparing and winter stockpiling. So, let's make one. As you can see, it will be settled in a nice outdoor lounge area. I was fortunate enough to have drinkable water outlet, but unfortunately no power cable. And the material of choice, steel rods. Stick to the end of the video for an explanation why I chose and like this material. Time to start cutting and welding it. Take your time, it should be quite square. This outdoor kitchen is around 150 centimeters wide and 110 centimeters tall. It's also 45 centimeters deep. I constructed the thing from the outer perimeter to the inside and cut and welded it along to maintain the shape and 90-degree angles. You can be playful here. Now time for a mock-up to know where to remove the gravel and bury the frame inside, checking the placement with a spirit level. Porcelain time! Measure the inlay dimensions and cut the porcelain tiles with an appropriate diamond blade as straight as you can. I have a really cool saw that prevents dust clouds when cutting. Then just inlay the tiles to form the upper and lower surfaces. Next up, the utilities. And you, smash that like button, cause it helps me out to kickstart the channel. Also, if you found the content worthy for you, go ahead and subscribe to stay updated about my other projects. Alright, I dug a trench for the special cable that can be laid directly into the soil. The cable is connected to mains and powers a GFRC protected power outlet glued below the tiles to make it rainproof. I bought a small stainless steel bowl and made a sink out of it, so the wastewater drain can be connected as well. To drill through the tile, just use an angle grinder with a diamond disc blade. The steel has an excellent property that it well rusts, and that's exactly the finish I was looking for here, cause the rust will protect the steel below, and since this is not a tube but a full profile, it will last for a lifetime. And it's quite cheap. Let's see how it performs. I hope you find this informative. Until next time, thank me later. Bye.